Good evening, welcome you in the kingdom of the fools. Yes, you heard it rightly. We are taking up the second part of the lesson in the kingdom of the fools. When we finished up the first part, I kept you guessing for the story. Did you guess what happened further, or did you go through the story? Well, let's tell the story to those students who did not go through it. See, after the Guru told the disciple that it was a kingdom of the fools and it was not safe to stay over there, the Guru decided to leave it. But the disciple wouldn't listen to the Guru. Ultimately, he stayed over there. He kept eating bananas, rice, wheat, ghee, and he grew fat like a street bull. That sacred bull, have you seen that sacred bull wandering in the street? सांड देखा है? सांड जैसा ही हो गया वो चेला. गुरु तो चला ही गया था. अब what happened was, one day there was a theft case in a merchant house. A thief broke into the house of a merchant. He made a hole in the wall and broke into. When he was carrying the loot with him, when he was about to get out of the house, the wall scummed on his head and the thief was killed on the spot. His brother complained to the king, saying that, Your Highness, this is the fault of the businessman, the merchant, because he did not build a strong wall. Therefore, the person should be punished and the family should be compensated. What do you think? Was it a right complaint? What do you think? The king accepted it? I won't tell you now. Again, I leave it here for you to guess. Right? But again, I leave just two questions for you. Just two questions. Question number one, listen. I'll be giving you oral questions. Listen to question number one, or you may even note down. If you want to note down, you may note down the questions. The first question for you is, how was the thief killed? How was the thief killed? And the second question is, who complained to the king? Let me give you one more question. That is question number 3. And my third question is, what was asked? What was the prayer of the complainant? What was the prayer of the complainant to the king? See, apart from sending the answer of these three questions, You must use a phrase in your own sentence, and the phrase is give up. Use the phrase give up in your own sentence. I shall again be with you after some time. Till then, I'm waiting for your answers. Thanks for joining.